So hi guys, welcome back, and in this video we will continue with the simple Puppeteer actions, and in this one specifically I want to show you how you can handle the dropdown or select box, in other words. So if you look here, you can see that we have this nice select box with these three options, and the default option is command line. So let's now write a Puppeteer command to change this. So first let's do inspect. And as you can see, we have this select of ID preferred interface. So let's take it. And down under the click, let's call await page dot. And if you want to select a value from select box, Puppeteer gives us a simple function named select. And it takes two parameters. So first one is selector. So let's specify the ID. And the second one is the option. So let's go back, and as you can see, we have these three options. So let's, for example, pick the JavaScript API. So let's grab the text and copy it, and let's paste it as a second argument. And that's it. Now the Puppeteer will click on the select and it will pick the JavaScript API option. So let's try to see it. So let's run the test. And as you can see, the JavaScript has been picked here. So that's it. Actually working with select and dropdown is super simple with Puppeteer. You don't need to do some complex clicking through it. All you have to do is call the select, target the specific selector, and select the specific value. And basically that's it. And as I promised, the Puppeteer is super easy to do and work with because it gives us a lot of functionality, and it's also a lot of flexible. You will see it in later videos. And yeah, that's it. And in the next few videos we can actually finish this test, and we will submit that form, and you will see the flow from the start to bottom. So, or you know what? Let's do it in this one. Why not? Why to wait to next video? So, then we have filled the name. We have select from the select box. We have clicked on the I have tried test cafe. And now we can actually fill the message. And as you can see, is the text area with ID of comments. So let's pick it. And down here, let's do await page.type. And again, let's give it some value. Let's fill that message with some text. And also, if you want to, you can also pull this out to a variable. So let's const message is equal, and let's paste it there. And you can pass a message as an argument. So this works pretty much the same. You can also pull this value from an external file, and it will be working as well. And now we need to click on the submit. So we see the button of ID submit button. So let's click on that. So await page.click, submit button, and we are almost finished. Now if you click on the submit, you can see that after that we see this pretty much thank you message. So let's grab, for example, this class of results content to actually verify that the test was successful. So after that, let's do await page.wait for selector. And in this case, we are working with class, so we need to use dot and the name of that class. So I think that's it. Let's now try to run the test. And as you can see, it's working fine. And the test is passing. So that's pretty much it. So far you have learned how to load website, how to type into inputs, how to click on the buttons, how to pick a value from select box or dropdown, or how to wait for any selector. So far you are doing pretty good progress, but there is so much more we need to learn and explore in Puppeteer. So let's continue in the next videos.